Hi guys, welcome back to another video on Ben Lester Photography. Today I'm here with Lee Ellison and we are going to walk around the bottom of the Yorkshire Dales, and precisely we're going to walk right to Malham Cove. So we're visiting 3 spots today. The first spot here is Janet's Foss, and it's actually really lovely. It's a lovely day, the light's not too bad. It was a bit cloudy before, but the clouds have dispersed and it's actually giving us a really nice light at the bottom of the water. I'm using kind of polarizing filters so I can eliminate all the glare from it, but the first shot that I took was of literally just the waterfall by itself. I'm going to grab some more as time goes by and I'll show you them as I take them. But we've got other spots to go to. We've got Goredale Scar and we are going to Malham Cove, and it's not a massive walk but there's so many great epic features to take photographs of. But yeah, I'm going to grab some more shots now. I hope you enjoy them. So we're here at the second spot, which is called Goredale Scar, and it's a lovely walk up to the spot where we're at the moment. There is the waterfall. I don't know if you can see very well, but on the way up there was just little tadpoles in the stream, which was amazing. So I've got a few little shots of them, and I guess the payoff now is to get that waterfall. So the next stop is basically climbing up that thing, actually climbing all the way up. As you can see in the background there's some guys having a go, and we're going to have to do it with camera bags on the back, so wish us luck. It's a bit of a sketchy climb. I didn't think we were actually going to make it up then, just because it looked a little bit harder when some of the guys were climbing up before, but we've just got up here and gosh, like seriously, check this out. I'm gonna have to take a photo. I'm halfway up. I'm not going back down, so this is the only chance I'm going to take this photo. So hopefully it comes out amazingly. So I'm literally on a high at the moment. I can't believe how good just coming up that small waterfall has been. I think anybody who comes to that spot, actually it looks like there's not much else to take, or there's not much point of interest after that one little waterfall. As soon as you get up here, it's just got these like amazing waterfalls. I'm gobsmacked, definitely gobsmacked. Right, so we're done here. We've taken a lot of very smooth waterfall photos, and we have to climb just a little bit more, not too much. Not a scary climb like before, but still a steep one. And we're gonna go towards Malham Cove, which is our last stop. So I'm just trying to get a shot of probably one of the only spots. There's about 2 spots. So there's the valley, and that's probably a really good shot to take. But I haven't taken many abstract shots, so what I've found here is there's a very obvious interest, which is the tree right in front of us. And this tree is actually quite hard to get from some angles, but I found a wide angle shot where it shows you all of the foreground of the limestone building up to this really angled tree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put it at its highest aperture, which is f16 on the Sigma, and then do a bracketing shot. But yeah, we'll see how it turns out. So thanks for sticking with us until this point. The next stop we're going to be at Malham Cove, and this one should hopefully be one of the best spots to take photos at. So I will see you there. So just got to the edge of Malham Cove, and there are peregrine falcons that are nesting on the edge of it. So thankfully I brought my 70-200 lens and grabbed a little video and a few little snippets of photos of them. But now I'm actually just going to try and find a composition which is going to end the video, and hopefully it turns out really good. Trying to get the right photo for you guys, and also I want to get a good photo of Malham Cove, and I think the only way of really doing that is to show you on a video through the B-roll. I don't think the photos are actually going to do it any justice. It's amazing, that seriously is amazing. You've got all these kind of crags, all the limestone with like huge deep holes. I mean, I don't think I'd ever want to fall down one because I'd be stuck there forever. But yeah, I'm just having a look, and the cove, it just sweeps all the way around this lovely scenery. But no wide lens will be able to show you how big it is. I'm going to try different things, but if I can't get anything, I'll probably end it now and say thank you for watching until the end, because it means a lot to me if you guys actually do watch it all. And if you do like the video, as you know, please subscribe, like, comment, share this to all your friends and family, and come and visit these places, because obviously it's much better seeing it in person. And yeah, well, I will see you, I guess, next time.